Ubus na naman ang isang oras ng impormasyon at kasiyahan. But before we go, ano nga ba ang ating wow for today, Delmar?
Okay, so this is our wow for today. The best things in life are yours if you can only appreciate them.
Yes.
Diba?
At saka dagdag natin dyan, the best things in life are free rin. Diba?
Correct.
Just have to take a closer look at the things that surrounds you, lahat ng mga blessings na dumarating sa'yo, i-appreciate mo dahil iyong-iyo yan.
And no matter how simple it is, kapatid, di ba? Basta marunong kang mag-appreciate lang. And you just need to do your best. And of course, lahat ng puso mo nandun sa ginagawa mo.
Tama.
Para lang magkaroon ka ng magandang appreciation.
At saka, alam mo yun, pag positive ka in accepting all those things that are coming your way, parang napapansin ko rin na mas dadami pa yung blessings na darating din sa buhay.
Correct. Saka hindi lang naman regarding sa mga material na bagay. Having a simple, happy family, di ba?
It's enough na.
Correct.
It's just about appreciating everything. It's
Exactly.
about contentment.
Tama ka dyan. So bago tayo tuluyang magpaalam, we would like to thank, of course, our sponsors for this episode, Jana.
Yes, of course. Pasalamatan po natin ang Playa Tropical Resort kay Sir Kenji and Ma'am Tony Carag at saka kay Ma'am Angie. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And syempre kay Mr. Victor Aliwalas at ang Municipality of Banguet Abra, kay Mr. Lyndon John De Leon, kay Lala, sa Terraza de Niño, and of course,
Vegan Noodle House kay Mama Weng and Papa Bong and
yes,
kids, of
at ang
course.
kanyang mga anak, ang kanilang mga anak na sina Carla at Sam.
And of course, kay partner Roxy naman.
Hello, Roxy!
Hi, Roxy!
Ayan.
And to Divine Word College of Vegan also. Thank you so much po sa inyong suporta. Walang sawang support sa Wake Up
Yes,
Pilipinas.
ayan, maraming salamat po. And of course, eto rin, we would like to thank, eto na, mga personal greetings po namin at mga personal sponsors natin. Si Joyce ng Joyce Plana ng Joyce Vean Shoe Shop. Maraming salamat. Dealer po sila ng mga prescripto perfumes and of course, nagbibenta rin sila ng mga men, women, and kids shoes. And of course, the Unstoppable Fashion Shop for my outfits. Maraming salamat po sa kanila. They are located sa second floor ng Plaza Metro, Vegan City, and they also sell Aeropostale, Hollister, Abercrombie, and of course, Tomato clothing. At saka nagbebenta rin sila ng Victoria's Secret, Bath and Body Works, and other imported goods. And of course, thank you so much to Hair Day Salon, Mama Al, and to the staff of Hair Day Salon. They are located at JTC Mall, Balaling, Bantay, Ilocos Sur. And of course, Derma First Skincare and Body Center, Dr. Joy Velasco, Bernadette and Belinda Arde, Island Souvenirs, and I would like to say hi and happy viewing to Benjina Casilla and family, Roldan Reintegrado, Maria Babalo and family, at kay Ma'am Jean Bueno, Elvira Arce, Thelma Quinagon, Jeronimo Antonio Singson, Ray Espejo, Anthony Malfatti, Oreo de la Fuente, and Jerson Paz. Maraming salamat din po kay Governor Luis Chavez Singson, Vice Governor D.B. Savillano, Provincial Administrator Mrs. Maria Victoria Pu, and of course, yung mga members ng Provincial Board, Congressman Ryan Singson, and sina Mayor Sammy Parilla of Bantay, and Municipal Administrator Sammy Boy Parilla. And of course, I would also like to thank the Municipality of Magsingal for allowing us to hold the kite surfing competition doon sa Puro Magsingal. And of course, kay Municipal Administrator Algera Favis. Maraming salamat po.
Balita ko, napaka-successful na yun.
Yes, actually, we're planning then to hold it again next year at sana mas marami pa ulit participants kasi we really had fun and also the competitors had fun. Nakita nila na ang ganda-ganda talaga ng lugar natin. Perfect na perfect for kite surfing. Ayan, and of course, announcement po. Please join the fun run on April 29. You can register online at rosarioproductions.com and you can also get your registration forms and submit them sa Red Cross Vegan City Chapter and of course sa Planet Sports dyan po sa Plaza Metro. Meron po silang mga 3K, 5K at 16K na patakbo. Ayan, so mag-register na po kayo and be involved kasi po ang proceeds po netong fun run na ito will go to Red Cross. Ayan, Red Cross, Philippine Red Cross.
Galing.
Okay. Sige,
Sama
sir.
tayo dyan.
Yeah, sali tayo. Ay, kung
Sa 3K
nandito pa
ako.
ako. Oo nga eh. Nako.
Hanggang 3K lang ako.
Ayan. Kayanin mo, mag-5K ka.
Sorry.
Diba?
Para pumayat na. Anyway, ako naman, I'd like to say hi to my mom, to my family, of course, sa lahat ng mga relatives ko dyan sa Kutang Hello po, at saka sa Magsingan, Abong Tolan, to Tita Betty and Sir June, hello. Thanks for watching Wake Up Ilocos every day po yan. And of course, belated happy birthday to Tita Mayet and happy birthday in advance also to Auntie Gloria Amores. Yan, blow out dyan, Auntie Glo.
Hello.
And
Ayan,
lahat po
blow
ng
out
mga
talaga.
televiewers natin, of course, sa buong Ilocania. And especially, since nandito tayo ngayon sa Corimao, I'd like to say hi kay Ma'am Lenilda Ragintin. Lagi yan nanonood, kapatid.
Hi din pala kay Ian Raquel at lola ko.
Hello.
O, diba?
Si Ian talaga.
Oo nga.
And of course to Mayor Carlos Asuncion and Tita Flora, Tita Aida, Tita sino pa ba? Si Tita Chi, Tita Ruby, Tita Gina, lahat ng mga mommies natin at kapatid natin dyan sa Metro Vegan Dance Sports Club. Mga magaling magbo-ballroom talaga mga yan.
Dapat turuan mo din ako.
Oo naman kapatid. After your pageant.
Oo nga eh. Turuan mo ako. I-promise mo yan.
Correct,
diba?
correct. Para sasayaw tayong dalawa.
Ayan. At
Mapapanood
saka,
tayo sa Wake Up.
oo naman, kasi diba talagang napakaganda naman din kasi hobby talaga ang pag-dance
Exactly.
sport. Tsaka magandang exercise din sa katawan, diba? Ayan.
I also.
Yeah, sige
Sino pa?
pa.
I also kay Tita Jeremy Singson Gollard. Hello, Tita. Mayor Nanny.
Hello po,
And
yes.
Jeffrey Carobil, lahat ng Happy Fit family ko. Hello guys, I miss you na and hope to see you soon. Of course, sa ating summer, napakaganda ng summer vacation natin.
Yes, actually, ano na natin po, parang almost season ender episode
Correct.
na natin to, mga last 2 episodes na natin, nandito natin sa Playa Tropical Shilun. And of course, we would like to thank all our televiewers, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, Pangasinan, ganyan po talaga
Thank you.
ang level ng Core TV. Kaya maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta ninyo at pagsubaybay sa aming mga shows dito lang sa Core TV. Asahan po ninyo na mas gagandahan pa po namin ang mga episodes na ihahandog namin sa inyo.
And we will give them the best shows pa rin.
Syempre
Mga
naman.
bagong shows, abangan ng mga
That's what
bagong
Core
shows
TV is
natin.
all about. Having a perfect 10. O, diba?
Correct.
Kaya nga tayo Core TV din. At dyan na nga po nagtatapos ang ating show ngayong araw. Tumutok ulit next week para sa panibago at exciting na episode ng nag-iisang infotainment show sa buong Ilocania. Ito ang Wake Up Ilocos! Bye everybody!
Bye, bye.